I'm TV Hari and today we're doing the room CryptoCabana and TryHackMe. So today we'll be exploring this Azure room and let's read the description. He never signed the transfer. The place he stashed his secret wasn't as sealed as promised. So we've already connected to our lab. I've started the environment. It might take a minute to start up. You have your details here. So just open Azure. Where do we? Yes, Azure portal. Okay, we're just going to use our credentials. Uh, okay, and then our temporary access pass. Okay, so we're currently in the Azure CLI. Let's just open the Cloud Shell. We're going to choose Bash. You'll have to choose the subscription. And we have a Cloud Shell. So first of all, where did our commands go? Yes. So first we're going to just inspect the app.js. Okay, we'll mark this one as complete. So for your context, let's look here. This is the room access where the kiosk hands us something free before we click anything, and we have to follow it somewhere. The page never points you. So in the second one, we have a valuable set of keys that we can find. Here you can find the and here you find some very important keys. Okay, so we just you don't need to use any Kali Linux for this. It's just the Cloud Shell. Okay, we have our SAS, our account. Okay, now we will use this command. So what this does is it lists the storage containers using our SAS and the account name that we found. So using this command, we can find out all the storage containers. Okay, we find the vault, which is what we need. From here, we list the storage blobs. Okay, we have the same values, the account and the SAS. We just use them to output the table. Okay, what we did was we read this table vault, the container vault, and inside the container vault we found the seed phrase.txt and the backup service account.json. So we're supposed to enter the seed phrase. So that might be the thing we need to extract. Okay, so next we're going to download it, the seed phrase.txt. Okay, and let's cut it out. Okay, this is just a bunch of random strings related to the beach, I think, but I don't think that's the flag. Okay, so we are going to download the other file. Okay, now we've got that. We'll just pretty print it out. Oh, what was the file name again? Yes. And there you go. We have literally one of the most important values here, the tenant ID, the key vault URL, and we have the key vault's name. You can't find this through normal reconnaissance, so we'll just export these as variables. Okay, so we're just going to export that. Okay, we've exported them as values: client secret, vault name, vault URI, tenant ID. Okay, now we're just going to log in. This is the privilege escalation part. We're going to log in as the service principal. Okay, and now we can see that we are the service principal, which means we have higher privileges. Now using this command we can list the secrets, and we find 4 secrets. Okay, so let's look. So we listed the key vaults. Okay, we logged in as that. We are listing the secrets, and now we're going to show the secret key shard 1. We're just going to keep using this one. Okay, and for we have the first part of the flag. I'm going to clear the output. Okay, we'll use key shard 2 this time. Okay, and you can see this one. They rotated it after IT flagged it. Old value should be recoverable if you know where to look. Okay, we're going to look for key shard 3. And boom, we have another part of the flag. I'm going to clear that out. Yes, and now it's done. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to find the old version of 2. Okay, we're going to list versions with this command. If you want it, pause the video and type the command in, or I'll just keep a git repository so that you can copy paste the commands instead of having to type them. Okay, and we have 2 versions. The first version is the older one, as you can see here, and the second one is the newer one. And now we're going to use this command to show the version with the version ID. We got the version ID with command number 10. So we're going to use that version ID, which we're going to copy from here. And there you go, we have the previous version of flag number 2, the shard number 2, which gave us the middle part of the flag. And if you can piece all of the flags together, you will find out if you link all 3 pieces without letting them overlap, you will get a flag that fills the exact requirements. So let's see, we're showing part 2, part 1. Okay, control C, control V, control C, control V, and the final part is shard to previous version, control V. And there you go, we have the full flag. So how you do it is, first you get shard number 1, second you get shard number 2's previous version, and finally you get shard number 3, and that is how you get the flag. And if you verify it, we've finished the room. And that is exactly how you finish the room CryptoCabana on TryHackMe, part of the Hacker Holidays. To be honest, this room was really hard. Credit to Jalil Ayed for giving me help. I am not familiar with Azure. So that is how you solve this room. If you enjoyed my walkthrough and are watching my other walkthroughs too, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.